Hello everyone! Good evening, good evening, good evening. Evening here in the US. Philippines, it's morning time. It's around almost 8 o'clock I think in the Philippines. Dito naman sa amin, 7:49 p.m. It's time for dinner. As you can see guys, you know, I love pizza. One of my favorite. So that's why you can't blame me why I'm always uploading eating the pizza, because this is one of my favorite pizza. And also my husband love pizza also. Ano to? Supreme. This is Supreme, right, baby? Yeah, Supreme. Uubusin namin to lahat.